welcome back to my channel, you guys. In this video, I will be just showing you how I get these cute little small, what do you call this? Oh my god, I just drew a blank. What did they call this hairstyle? I cannot think right now. That's really bad. I cannot think of this hairstyle. But in this video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve this look. This is another one of my go-tos that I do when I am not wearing my hair extensions. I usually do these pom-poms, or I'll do a sleek bun at the top. I have totally been MIA because my face was swollen. My face was swollen because I still have 2 more teeth molars that need to be removed. As y'all know, I have really bad dental problems, and I'm just ready for everything to be over with. Just pull my shit out. I don't give a damn about having spaces in my teeth. Just, if you know what a toothache feel like, you know what I mean by this. So my face was swollen for like 3 days straight, and it came right after Sheila visited. So it was like Sheila week, and then Sheila leaving, spotting, and then tooth starts bothering me, and I went to bed with a toothache, woke up to a fucking like just swollen ass jaw. I feel like it's 2% more needs to just kind of like go away, but it has went away completely, so I can get back to my work, which is my videos and my content creating. So that's where I've been, honestly, this last recent break. And that is the truth. Second thing I want to say before I get into this video, I'm sorry for the tackiness of my backdrop. It's just that I didn't want the flowers that much, and also I'm getting a new backdrop, and just I'm getting ready to change things around since we decided to renew the lease here at this apartment. So I'm getting everything together, so I apologize for that. I mean, it just wasn't the one I needed to do, but we're not here for that. Hopefully that's not that big of a distraction. But I had to just clear that part out because it's hanging and it's just doing its own thing. So I apologize for that. I think that is pretty much it. I think I'll probably explain with a voiceover everything that I do, show you all the ingredients and tools that I use. So without further ado, let's go right ahead and jump into the video. Okay, you guys, so here I'm just detangling my hair. I have a little bit of glue in it. You know, I'm sure everyone can relate. So what I do is I'm going to get it out the way now so you can just enjoy the video. I put my hair up in the ponytail desired just to hold it so I can mold my hair. So that's why I put it in a ponytail at least 3 different times. That molds your hair very nicely and keep everything in place. Then after that I braid it and then I loop it around like a knot. That's how I get them super small. That's the technique used to get them super small. Also with my edges, it's just really fucking difficult, bro. Like, anyway, that's really it. I mean, it's just nothing to it. Smooth out the back, you know, braid your hair, loop it around, and then I'm going to be adding my pearl earrings because I could not find my hair jewelry. So I just kind of stick my pearl earrings in them to make the little pearl pop, and that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy the rest of the video. so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I apologize for my background as well because I cannot find the remote, honey. I cannot find the remote. So I'm gonna make this outro really quick. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that I did on my hair, anything you'd like to know. What do you guys think of this? I purposely make them small. I don't want them all poofed and big, so y'all see my technique, so that's why they're like smaller poof balls, but I like them smaller like this because it's like a sleek thing, and that's like I like the same way I like doing my regular just one single bun. I just like for it to be super small and just like nice and sleek and everything. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to a gem, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.